I need to. Okay. I need to turn that off. Because apparently we're getting copyrighted every single one of these because I'm playing music. So now I know. I'm listening to my Discover Weekly though.
Where you gonna run to now? After all the love runs out. And aren't you one? You must be tired and torn and burned out from the fire. Holding on, the flames get higher up. Oh, take me to the great white plains to die. I don't wanna hear the sirens. I've heard that death is an island, isolated. I'm forced to fight it all. Where you gonna run to now? And who's gonna comfort you? And how?
God, I wish I could play music with you guys. What up, baby? What up, Ace? We shorten for multiple reasons, but continuation model similar to yesterday. CSD below. Tap into FEG above. Kind of a banger. Might have to save this one. Great White Plains by Nat Lefkoff. By the way, 5 micros MES here is about $250 risk, somewhere in there. Just to save you guys a headache or two to try to figure it out. It's $50 every 10 point per micro. Easy to remember. My goddamn NQ is flying. Did it sweep? It did, I think. Did it? Oh my god, is that exactly equal? That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That is disgusting, mate. Holy. All I know is I want some flory time. A little bit of flory. We're gonna leave the last 2 runners for all the way down there. Just so everyone knows. Then remember, all this starts because we're in the daily gap. That's why any of this thesis starts in the first place. And the 4-hour, the move that I'm expecting makes so much sense on the 4-hour. Just to hear at least. I don't know about all this, but that definitely makes sense here. Holy, what the fuck is that? Well, that's lame. We're not stopped yet, but we probably will be. That, bro, a 10.1 minute candle on ES is absolutely nuts, bro. Well, that's fucking gay. Yeah, this thing is just plumping. Is this good for Microsoft? It's good for something. Port's going up. Okay, let's see. There's my Microsoft looking. Oh, I think we're green, right? Yeah, we're almost 10% on Microsoft. I have till next, what, Monday? And then Elf is up to 1550 a con. Which is very nice. Gino, open the meter. Yeah, bro. I think I might have to call it a day there, but you know, I'll hang out with you guys for a bit. I took one good win last night. It passed an eval, and then the other one I wanted to let run, so I just tightened stops into profit. So one I made like 800 on, then the other one I made like 300 on. Then I took that L, which was like a negative $600. So both were down after that, as I took that on the fresh funded. So right now the fresh funded, lovely. I love seeing this. My very first day on the funded, it's negative 870 already. So yeah, yeah, lovely, absolutely lovely. It's all right. We just take it slow, make it happen. Dude, I know. It's happened to me way too many times. Then it's like, oh, sick. Now I have a funded that's also halfway through drawdown already. It's brand new, but it's halfway through drawdown already. In the first day. I just paid for the essentials. I think it's like the $8 a month or something like that. Dude, trust me, Gino, that is where I've been at. And I was talking about this with my pops last night, is I think that like because I've had so much free time, I feel like I'm like trying to like force myself to trade more than I need to. And you know, I mean, it's still like I'm a year in, so it's like that's just an excuse at this point. But I found myself over this last year taking a lot of trades that really didn't need to be taken. I guess that one was kind of a decent example. Like realistically, it makes sense why I did take it, and I would take something similar again. But at the same time, like especially with where the funder was at, I maybe should have just taken that just on the eval. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Refinement, consistent refinement, baby. Yep. And less is more, and it's so true, dude. Every time I trade less throughout a month, I always make a lot more. So exactly, exactly. For me, it's like my emotions stay in tune. It's more just like my decision making. Like I just make random stupid decisions, like impulsive. And I think a little bit that it's just like ADHD, bro. Like I just just spazzing, tweaking. You know what I mean? Sometimes like, oh, I've been staring at charts for 3 hours, not a single trade yet. Come on, bud. You know, but it is what it is. Oh, dude, it always does this. So I don't know if you guys have had the Rise coffee. I think I've already talked about this before, but okay, I fixed it. But dude, it like separates, so like all of it just clumps at the bottom, and if you don't like mix it up, like you just drink straight sand for the last like 2 sips. But mucho caliente, eh? So I mean, honestly, yeah, we'll wait to see how the daily closes. But if the daily gap closes here, a very good chance we at least run this LR up to these highs. I don't know about all-time highs, but there's a very good chance that this gets ran. It's another like 120 points up on ES. Let's see what that looks like on NQ. Okay, so yeah, so NQ is absolutely flying right now. What? It's up a percent today. I mean, I guess that's not insane, but still kind of a lot. So if we inverse this on both, it should be a pretty damn clear, crystal clear sign that at least these highs are getting taken. You know what I mean? Possibly all-time high. Trump did say we're about to soar like crazy. And honestly, dude, the one thing that's kind of annoying is he lies about a lot of things, but every time he's talked about the market, it has been almost 100% true. He said buy Intel. It's gone up, what, like 500%? He just barely said buy IBM like the last like week. And look what it did. It immediately had a 10% week, followed by another 2% week so far. And honestly, it looks so good, dude. This weekly tap, probably all the way back to 330. It's like something I should still get in, but I just am not. Oh, nice. What's it? He also said we're doing quantum, so I've been looking at IonQ and IBM because I think IBM. I know they do computing, obviously, but I think they do quantum. Pretty sure. Don't know though. Guess that's a Google. It's the global leaders in quantum. Sick. That's the IonQ. A Google too. I guess that makes sense. The Google one makes sense. Elf going, baby. Elf's above 70. 70.27. It's kind of ripping, man. Well over $10 a share. Yeah, everything is just going. 350 point 30-minute pump. That's a 10 points a minute. Charlie Kirky. Charlie Kirky. Let's go, Jamie. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, like Microsoft's definitely down bad. Apple, I'm honestly okay with it continuing just to fall. I really. What are they doing right now? There's a weekly inverse here. Let's see what the monthly looks like on Apple. Kind of CSD, probably uptrend after. How's our Nvidia friend looking? Terrible. Just chopping like a motherfucker up here. Probably good for uppy soon. Rejecting this gap after a CST retest and a breakage structure. Probably. They all are looking the same, bro. They're all tapping a weekly gap, and it looks like pretty promising for upside. But I will say, dude, I'm going to be hesitant because a lot of the time that I've seen something so clear like this daily gap inverse out of a daily order block, very clear DOL above, it'll just hit you with some butt rape tomorrow and just fucking just dump. You know what I mean? Just do the exact opposite. Give you an A plus setup and then just shit all over it. You know what I mean? Sitting at a bearish daily gap with some straight chop right now. Yeah, let's check it out, dude. Let's check it out. Yeah, meta. I haven't checked meta. Let's do that as well. No, I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing to really look at. Didn't even really make a CSD. It could 100% floor back down, but also there's this LR on the daily that I do think could totally get ran through, which would be up to 450. I ain't touching that with a 5,000 foot stick though, bro. That's disgusting. I would not touch that. I would not touch that. Meta looks honestly terrible. Dude, no fucking way. Why did I take this? So many times I'll go and I'll find a chart that I charted out something from like 6 months ago and it played out perfectly. Sick. God damn it, dude. Nice. Yeah, I wouldn't touch meta either though. I really would not touch meta. Yeah, dude. Just let me know. Anyone that I chart out and I'm like, oh, this looks good, just remind me in like a month because I promise you it probably printed. Alright, I'm gonna pull up Elf again though. She's just looking so nice. Like, to be honest, today should hit 71.23 here. Last week gave us a good weekly CSD, which means we probably want to push up to 75 here soon, which is nuts. Let's see what Bitcoin's looking like. I haven't really even been looking. Oh, it's going to zero. It's going to fucking zero. 49, this is the whole liquidity I've been looking at this whole time. I've been telling my brother for a year and a half now. Honestly, that's such a clean short. I even wanted to take it. From there, we're down 25,000 fucking dollars on Bitcoin. Imagine. So fucking sick, bro. So fucking sick, dude. Dude, well, you can still grab shares, and I still think shares would be great with Elf. Like I genuinely think 97 is free, and I really think like 150 is pretty realistic. IMO, mate. Just remember, last May they had an 82% month. Just saying. Right now we're up 25% on the month. But 82% would take that buy side. Just fucking saying. Also, just some shares. That's okay, dude. The share is what, $70? Just buy like 1, 2, 3, 4. The Leafs I don't fuck around with. They're incredibly high conviction, and I look for 2 to 3 of these a year. And I size pretty heavy. Like this one altogether, I think I'm at like 36k into Elf. And yeah, just let it rip. I have 6 months on these leaps. So once we get this push, honestly, and I think I was talking about this yesterday, but once we get a push up to here, I'm hoping it happens before like September, October-ish. But once we get it up to 97, take this buy side, I probably will roll these contracts. Like I might just sell completely out of them and then buy next June's or maybe even later's. And probably increase my share position. So I have 400 shares, which is pretty good, but I could definitely use more because this would be a solid one to sell some cover calls or something. Yeah, the Leafs were kind of pricey. I think they were like 1,000 a pop. Yeah, 940 is my average, and they're worth 1520 right now. So we're up 500, almost 600 a con, almost 600 a con, 550 a con. But yeah, they're up 62%. Oh, 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 oh. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, dude. What KJ said is very real for Leafs. Obviously, there's no guarantee to anything, of course. But for me, especially on the futures plays, because I know those are the ones I get the most complaints about, is like if my range of stop loss to take profit is very like set in stone, there's no like late time to enter. Yeah, of course, if you entered right with me, it'd probably be better odds than entering later or earlier. But if you know where my stop loss is and you know where my take profit is, you can enter at any point in between there and, probably still make money or lose money, but you might lose less, you might lose a little more. But if it's all predefined and you know your sizing, you're good, bro. You're good. Like, take it too. It's okay. Hey, I'm up $1,400 this week on a small port, huh? That ain't too bad. I'm glad you can at least hear that. This guy fucks. Yeah, this could actually be a decent long setup. Tap into here. If I were to take it, I'd literally just take one, though. Even that's nuts, bro. Even just one is crazy. Down, 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 down. So I play a little tartar for you boys. Tartar Banks. Tartar Banks. Felt fucking weird saying that one. Oh shit. Down, 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 down. Down. Oh yeah, I should probably plug in my guitar first. That'd probably help. Ha. What do you mean better tone? Like sound out of my amp? Yeah, this one's got a little bit too much echo, but guitar sound. It's also coming through a tiny headset from my amps all the way over there, so it kind of makes sense that it probably doesn't sound super crispy. Let me, I'm gonna throw it on to the old country one. Also, my tones could be... Dude, is fucking Elf just flying right now? I keep seeing little jumpy juicers. This thing is out of tune. It's a little bit better. what works good, bro? You? I wish you guys could hear the music I'm playing in my ear right now too. It's helping play what I'm playing. Just so you know. Who the fuck is Alex McCarter? McCarter! Dude, it's going all right. We all practiced on Sunday, and we Loki just started making another song. But I need to finish this solo, bro. Kind of what I was just playing is I'm trying to figure out the solo. Let me see if I can play it for you boys. Then I already sent it in the chord, right? Deal, my friend Dylan. Down, down, down. When you hear that foggy feeling, you will not be found. Down, 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 boom, 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 boom. You never run and hide. I think that's on there. Can you guys hear this?
Riding on this wave of life, I'm riding on the storm. Why do I stay out all night and you won't find me home alone? When you get that foggy feeling, you can When you get that foggy feeling, you can never run or hide. Way down
At the bottom, baby, the bottom of this beer.
Find me
At the bottom, baby, the bottom of this bottle of Everclear.
until you unleash the beast inside.
How's that better?
Sign away your
Yo, human rights and relationship and walk with me.
Riding on this wave of life, I'm riding on the storm. Why do I stay out all night and you won't find me home alone?
The one in the song right now sounds like shit the solo does. Anyways, sidetrack. But yeah, that was the old Asha Luego song. Holy fuck, 7067, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Send me. Okay, now we're at $600 a con on our friend. When you hear that foggy feeling, and we're also in the money now, which is pretty sick on these elf cons. So we should actually start printing pretty hard, mate, pretty hard. But anyways, boys, I'm not gonna be trading. I don't think anything else the rest of the day. I would probably recommend you do the same. Something tells me we probably just kind of chop around, maybe come tap back into this hourly gap, and then figure it out from there. But honestly, if we tap into the hourly gap, there's a chance we come and we sweep all these lows. And then from there, who the fuck knows? So I would be really hesitant about today. If you're not already in longs, then I would not try to chase. I would also not try to catch the reversal here, because no resting liquidity above has really been met yet. So I would be very, very cautious today. That's all I'm saying. But any whomst, love you fellas. Hasta luego.